Hello my dear children, welcome back to my channel Kid Study Zone, where learning becomes easy. Today I have come with a very interesting topic, that is magic words. Children, these are the words which bring a lot of happiness in our life, in others' life, and everywhere it spreads happiness and smile. So let us learn what are these words. Number 1 is thank you. This is the word which you might be using in your life whenever anybody gives you something. So let us understand this better by seeing these pictures. Children, as you can see, there are some pictures. I would like to explain you one by one. The first picture is of a lady giving a gift to the boy, and the boy seems to be very happy. Whenever we receive something from anybody else, we feel very happy and a smile comes automatically on our face, isn't it? That is the way we are expressing our happiness. So that is what is shown in this picture. The child is very happy to receive the gift from the lady. So what is the child supposed to say? The child is supposed to say thank you. Now we'll move on to the next picture. A girl is sick. She's bedridden and her mother is taking care of her. When somebody helps you or somebody takes care of you or helps you when you are in need of anything, what are you supposed to say? You are supposed to say a thank you. Let us go to the next picture. This picture shows the boy celebrating his birthday with his parents, and the father and the mother, they both are giving a gift to the boy, and the boy is very happy. So what is the boy supposed to say over here? Thank you. Let us go to the next picture where two friends are sharing the ball. Whenever your friend or your brother, your sister or your neighbor gives you anything to play or shares something with you, what are you supposed to say? You are supposed to say a big thanks to the person. Children, these are the ways by which we can show our gratitude. And the next person also feels very happy when they hear the thank you from you. Now, let us move on to the next word, and that is please. Now, again I'll tell you where to use please with the help of some pictures. Say please when you want something. As you can see, the picture number 1. A girl is standing in front of an ice cream stall and she wants to eat an ice cream. So what is she supposed to say? She will say, please give me an ice cream. Isn't it? Let us see the next picture. A boy and a girl, they both are in the classroom, and the girl wants a color pencil. So what is she supposed to say? Very good. She will say, please give me the colors. Isn't it? So we'll understand, whenever we want somebody to help us or to give us something which we don't have and we need, we will say please. Okay? Let's move on to the next one. And that is sorry. This word is very, very important in our life. Whenever we mistake anything, we need to say sorry. If we hurt anybody by mistake, we need to say sorry. If anybody faces any sort of pain, like their things are broken or they are hurt because of us, again we need to say sorry. Let us see these pictures. Children, as you can see in the first picture, the man is very angry because the boy has broken his cup, and the boy is feeling very sad. And what is he saying? He's saying, I am sorry. The next picture you can see, another boy is eating a banana and he threw the peel accidentally while the other boy who was walking got slipped and got hurt. So what is this boy supposed to say? He's supposed to say, sorry for hurting you. Whenever anybody is hurt because of our deeds or our actions, we are supposed to say a humble sorry. Okay, children? Now let us move on to the next magical word. That is, excuse me. When are we supposed to use the word excuse me? When somebody is talking or when two people are busy and we want to say something very important to them. We need not to simply rush to them and start speaking what we want to say. But we need to go to them and politely say, excuse me, please. And then we should start with what message we want to convey. Let us see this picture. As you can see, three children were talking to each other and one boy has come with something very important to tell them. So he will come and politely he will say, excuse me. And then others will pay attention to what he wants to say. The same way, the next picture, the boss is busy on his phone. And the next man standing wants to say something to him. So, in a polite way, he will come to him and say, excuse me, sir. Okay, these are the basic manners by which we can please others. Now, let us see the next magical word. It's welcome. Children, when are we supposed to say welcome? We are supposed to say welcome whenever anybody says thank you to us. Okay? Whenever anybody says thank you to us, it's our duty to say welcome in return. It's a good gesture from our side. So, let us revise. What is thank you? What is welcome? What is excuse me? What is sorry? What is please? These are the 5 magical words which change our life and fill our life with happiness. We need to say thank you whenever we get anything from anybody or we get any help from anybody. And we need to say sorry when we hurt anybody knowingly or unknowingly. We need to say please whenever we want the other person to help us or to share something with us. We need to say excuse me when two people are busy talking and we want to say something very important to them. At the same time, we don't want to disturb them. And we need to say welcome whenever anybody says thank you to us. I hope you all understood. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you all liked it.